This one JRMS engineering works making biotoilet used FRP material, and it was transferable and portable. Where you need this, when you need the toilet, you just use this kind of biotoilet. It is situated in Newtown action area, was is developed by HITCO, and it is situated in opposite in Newtown ECO Park Gate number 4. This one ECO Park Gate number 4, where is the clinic. Different kind of statues, the ancient structure are placed here, and it is also used for public uses. You just see this one public toilet made by JRMS. It is finest work.